Installing the Sunsquare Insulated Upstand is a straightforward process requiring only basic hand tools and an electric drill to secure the provided fixings. Measure the roof aperture carefully, length, width, and diagonal dimensions against your order to ensure the aperture is square. Unpack the skylight sections and position them around the aperture, aligned to your desired fall direction. Secure the front and rear tabs of the upstand with supplied screws through pre-drilled holes. Avoid over-tightening to prevent timber splitting. After fixing the upstand together, check your diagonal measurements once more to ensure the upstand is square. After confirming your measurements, position and fix the brackets 100 mm from each external corner, spacing additional brackets evenly on larger upstands. The upstand installation is now complete and ready to be flashed with the chosen roofing material, giving you the ideal base for a skylight installation.